Hi, this is Ienna from Fairmax Law. Today I just want to talk to you about a very common question. Clients ask all the time, how much debt do I need to qualify for bankruptcy? Well, it's not a simple answer, but despite what people think, there's not actually a rigid amount of debt you have to file. It's really based on the totality of the circumstances for each case. Many times people file with only $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 of debt. But those people may have creditors that are garnishing their wages or putting them in dire situations. They may just not have the income to pay off that type of debt. There's no reason why those people may not qualify to file. They can file, right? There may be questions raised as to whether they should have filed and whether they could have avoided it. But that's up to an attorney and a client to discuss their situation, what efforts they've made to avoid the bankruptcy, what efforts they can make to try and avoid the bankruptcy and pay back their debt, settle their debt, stop a garnishment. Many times there's a state court action you can take to limit a garnishment or the amount of money that you have to pay to a creditor in lieu of being garnished 25% of your paychecks. But again, there's no rigid amount where the court or the bankruptcy code says you have to have at least $10,000 of debt to file. That's a decision for you to discuss with an attorney. It's a decision based on the circumstances of your particular case. So don't think that I only have $7,000 of debt. I just don't qualify to file. That's just not the case depending on your circumstances. So call an attorney, discuss your situation with them, and they'll be able to guide you on the best options, whether that is to file a bankruptcy, what chapter of bankruptcy, or whether they're going to guide you to avoid bankruptcy. And most attorneys, good attorneys, will tell you how you can avoid bankruptcy and still resolve your debt in other ways other than through the bankruptcy court. Thank you.